Hello friends, today I am going to tell you the story of a very naughty jackal whose name was Ranga. Ranga was no ordinary jackal, he was the biggest devil of the entire jungle. One day, Ranga was in a mood for mischief. He quietly reached the cave of the jungle king, Sheru Singh. Sheru was sleeping peacefully. Ranga didn't think twice and shouted loudly, "Hua!" and ran away from there. Sheru Singh roared and lunged after him. To save his life, Ranga left the jungle and galloped towards the city. Seeing the glitz and tall buildings of the city, Ranga's eyes popped out. Wow, what a place! He was just thinking this when his eyes fell on a sweet shop. Seeing rasgullas, laddus and barfi, his mouth started watering. He saw a chance and ran off with a big laddu pressed in his mouth. The shopkeeper saw him and shouted, catch him, thief jackal!" In no time, the whole market started running after him with sticks. Ranga started hiding here and there to save his life. In a panic, he entered a clothes dyeing shop and losing his balance, fell straight into a large drum. That drum was filled with blue dye. When Ranga came out and ran towards the jungle, reaching the jungle he saw his changed form. He was amazed. Now he was not a brown jackal, but a shiny blue one from top to bottom. It was impossible to recognize him. A mischievous idea came to Ranga's mind. He thought, "Oh wow, my whole appearance has changed. Now I will teach that Sheru and that clever bunty monkey a good lesson. Now I won't be a jackal, I will become the god of the jungle." Ranga came back to the jungle walking in slow motion. There Sheru and Bunty were playing Ludo. As soon as they saw this blue animal, they were dumbstruck. Sheru said fearfully, "Oh God, which Pokemon has come to the jungle? Has he played Holi?" Ranga climbed onto a high rock and making his voice deep said, "Stop you foolish creatures. Do not fear. I am no ordinary animal. The one above has sent me with special special power. My name is Maharaj Blueberry Singh." The jungle animals could not recognize him. There is a very good verse in Hitupadesha which tells how people get deceived by outward appearances. Na vetti yo yasya gunaha prakarsham, sa tam sada nindati natra chitram. Meaning, the person who does not know someone's reality or qualities often gets deceived by seeing the outward appearance and starts worshipping without thinking. That was it. Ranga Jackal became the king of the jungle. Sheru Singh started fanning him with big leaves. Ranga ordered, "Sheru, I am sweating. Fan faster, otherwise my divine form will get spoiled." Sheru, with respect, "Yes, Maharaj." Ranga shouted, "Fool, don't fan yourself, fan me." Sheru, scared, "Forgive me, Maharaj, I will speed it up right now. By the way, what will you have for dinner? Fresh deer?" The jackal scolded and said, "Don't take the name of deer. I am pure vegetarian. Get me pizza from the city for food. Oof, I mean fresh grapes and cashews. And yes, chase away all the other jackals of the jungle 10 kilometers away. I am irritated by their hua, hua." Bunty Monkey had a suspicion. He even whispered, "Something is fishy, or is this jackal itself blue? Why is he chasing away his own family members? CID will have to be called." But out of fear of the lion, he remained silent. A few days passed in great fun. Then came a full moon night. Ranga was sleeping happily on his throne. Sheru and Bunty were also sleeping on the ground. Just then, the sound of a pack of jackals howling came from the distant jungles. Hua, hua, hua. This sound fell on Ranga's ears. He forgot that he was pretending to be a king. His old habit woke up. In his sleep, he stood up, raised his neck, and shouted with full enthusiasm, "Hua, hua, hua, oi!" Pin-drop silence fell over the entire jungle. Sheru and Bunty's mouths fell open. Sheru roared in anger, "Hey, this is the Ranga jackal from the neighboring village. He has applied paint." Ranga scared, "No, I was speaking a foreign language. Huan means peace." But now it was too late. Sheru said, "Wait, I will give you peace right now." And Ranga ran again to save his life. Friends, Ranga had changed his color, but could not change his nature. That is why it is said in our Shastras, "Yaha swabhavo hi yasya syat, tasya asau duratikramaha. Shva yadi kriyate raja, tat kim nashnati upanaham." Meaning, whatever nature one has, it is very difficult to change it. Just as if a dog is made a king, will he stop chewing shoes? No. Similarly, the mask of lies definitely comes off one day. So friends, how did you like this story of Ranga Jackal? Remember, it is best to remain as you are. Please subscribe, share and like our channel at MMV34666. Thank you.